Good morning, traders. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Dave. Good morning, Nuno. Good morning, Donald. Good morning, Gabriel. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Laura. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Rachel. Good morning, Seth. Welcome to another exciting trading session here at Trademy.com. But before we start, guys, let me have something to hear for you guys. Today, guys, is Elif's birthday, so let's sing all together a happy birthday song for Elif. She is turning 40 minus 4 years old. I don't want to say the age, so it's 40 minus 4, guys. You do the maths. So let's wish her happy birthday. So today is our queen's birthday. So happy birthday, Elif, from all of us here.
Hey guys, thank you.
Always wishing you all the best to you and your family with love and happiness and health. So happy birthday, guys, to Elif. And you know what this means, that she will beat the markets today. She will really beat them up. So guys, welcome to another trading session. And would like to believe that today also we will meet your prospects in terms of profitability in the Forex trading room. So welcome, and we hope you enjoy this session. No need to remind you once again that you can follow us on any trades, always at your personal discretion. And I have already placed some trades this morning. Actually, some of them have been initiated since yesterday, as you can see on my screen. Yesterday, guys, was a very nice day. Let me put the statement of profits of yesterday, guys. We have managed and realized total profits of $58,449. The majority of these trades, as you have seen yesterday live in the live trading room, came, of course, from pound Aussie and pound yen. However, throughout the night, we have also managed to close the positions of euro yen. And with you in the morning, we also closed positions on the Kiwi and dollar yen. So a nice profitable day yesterday. But as I said, yesterday is yesterday and today is today. So these are the positions that I currently have, guys. Let me quickly update you on them as I'm getting ready also to open new positions, especially in 3 minutes on Aussie dollar. I will open long positions. So I'm getting ready for more trades, of course. So let me inform you about my trades. This trade is running since yesterday. So for euro dollar, for the moment, we have short positions at 1.12393 with a stop loss at 1.12963 and a TP at 1.12043. This is the first trade I have for the moment. Next one, I have long positions on dollar CAD, long USD CAD at 1.32209 with a stop loss at 1.31639 and a TP at 1.32559. That's the second trade I have. The third trade, we have reversed today to long positions on dollar CHF. So for the moment, the third position is that I'm long on dollar CHF. The entry level price was 1.01169 with a stop loss at 1.00599 and a TP at 1.01519. And the last position I have initiated today is a long position on dollar yen at 114.122, stop loss 113.552 and TP 114.472. So as I said, I'm getting ready to initiate long positions on the Aussie. I see that the leaf has already went long the DAX and short the gold. So stay with me for 30 more seconds to see that I will place a long position on Aussie dollar. So I'm getting ready to buy Aussie dollar, and then we will move straight forward to a leaf in order to update us about this position. So I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, and it will close in approximately 4 seconds. There it is, guys. So I just bought Aussie dollar. So long Aussie dollar, that's the new trade I have. Long Aussie dollar. I have just entered a long position on Aussie dollar, as you can see. There it is. I got the confirmation for that at 0.71962 with a stop loss at 0.71392 and a TP at 0.72312. So these are the positions I currently have opened. Let me go through the pairs just one more time, just to make sure that I haven't missed anything. QE, I'm still waiting for confirmation. Pound dollar, I'm still waiting for confirmation. Euro yen, waiting for confirmation. Aussie dollar, we have traded it. Pound yen, still waiting for confirmation. And pound Aussie, still waiting for confirmation. So for the moment, I'm long Aussie, short euro dollar, long the loonie, long dollar CHF, and long dollar yen. So let's go straight to a leaf in order to see here trades. Long Italy 40. Let's go straight to a leaf.
Hello, guys. Welcome to the morning session here, and thank you for all of your nice wishes. Thank you for your nice wishes. I wish you all the best as well. So I entered a long DAX, guys, but now it's moving against me. And Italy 40 is now moving strongly against me, although I opened it. Hello, Donald. Thank you, Donald. I just opened the trades and they started all to move very strongly against me. Gold, Italy 40, DAX, they all three started to move against me, so I would not enter now again. Let me see how all of them. Hello, Mary. Welcome to the morning session. We are getting ready to hit the markets. We have a small pool deck. Thank you, Mary. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. Hopefully I will get the best present by making a lot of money. Yesterday we made here, how much we made yesterday here by the end of the day? $52,000. $52,000. Thank you, Mary. The same for you. And let's see how we will perform today. We didn't start nice. The market moved extremely against us after we entered the position. Let me see. No, on DAX, I'm quite positive. I am. Yep, on DAX, I'm quite positive. It will just take a bit longer than I expected. On Italy 40, let me check on Italy 40. I went long on Italy 40, guys. Let me see, I went long on Italy 40. Yep, we'll get there, guys. I might even open another one trade at around. Yeah, it's okay. We'll get there. I might open even another trade on Italy 40. Let me see. ADX, our ADX indicator is giving us. Yes, guys, I will go again long on Italy 40. I just opened again at Italy 40 position long. Yes, it's dropping, but I increased my exposure, and you see it's in such a low level that a reversal is very close. So I opened again a long position on Italy 40. I have two long positions. I have two long positions on Italy 40. One gold position and one DAX position open. So let me put also some take profits. Here we go. On Italy 40, my take profit is at 19,095. 19,095 is my first take profit. And with this take profit, I'm aiming approximately $2,000 will be nice. And also here, I will put the same take profit. Guys, I will get also the move down. I will get also on Italy 40 the move down. Something is going on. I'm going short also, short on Italy 40. I hedged my position. Something is happening. Let me see if I go see any news over here. I shorted also Italy 40, but I will take very narrow take profits on my short position. So my take profit on my short position is at something is going on, guys. Something is going on. That's why. So let's go for 18,000. Yes, it dropped below 19,000, so it will be 18,970 is my take profit for my sell position. But Italy 40, when we check on a daily level, you see it is quite low. This is the low of the last 2 years here. So we are in a low level anyway. We have to be looking forward for a reversal here. We have to look for a reversal. So I'll put my take profit also here for a narrow take profit. Let's see what will happen and how we will get there. So let's check also our gold position, if we can make something on our gold and DAX position, because also they went very badly against us. Guys, on DAX, no, DAX is not good. DAX is not good. Guys, on DAX, it's like with a, I will close my DAX position. Here we go. I just closed it with a loss of, let me see, today. So we didn't start well in the morning. We closed with a loss of $2,000 on DAX. But with this position, it's like with a relationship, guys. Sometimes if it doesn't work, you have to cut it, right? Instead of waiting for more. Let's go short on DAX now. I just shorted DAX, and my take profit on DAX will be at, we started badly in the morning, 11,345 is my take profit for this position. So guys, I will explain you why I closed my DAX position. I closed my DAX position because it's like in a relationship. Here, I thought it will go up. Okay, it It was looking for me a clear uptrend, a pullback, and time for going long. But it reversed strongly and a new trend started, a downtrend started, and you see that here. A downtrend started, so I said, okay, come on, we have to get rid from this position. It will not give us the movements we are looking for. That's why I closed that position. I accept my loss and close the position. It's really like in a relationship. Sometimes you have to accept the situation and close something to be ready for new stuff, and this is something like that. Italy 40 is making us money. Gold is making us money. Let me see on gold if I can get a bit more. If I should open a better trade. No, I will not enter now another gold trade. I will wait a bit more. On gold, my take profit is at $4,400. Let me see, we have to get the money in. Also on silver, I would like to go short, guys. Also on silver, I'm shorting. I will short on silver as well. Here we go. I shorted also on silver, guys. And on silver, I put my take profit on the day's opening, which is at below 14. It's below 14. So my silver position, I put my take profit at 13.995. Let's see. So let's write it down. So I am short on silver, guys. Hello, Kehinde. Welcome to our morning session. So we are short on silver and we entered on 14.038. And our take profit for our silver position is on 13.995. This is our first trade. Then on DAX, we closed our long position and we went for a short position. We are short on DAX. And we entered at 11,373, and my take profit here is 11,345. Hello, Alice. Alice just joined our live trading session. Hello, Alice. I think it's your first time. Welcome and have a nice time here. Anything you would like to know, just use the chat function to communicate with us. So I'm short on silver, I'm short on DAX. On Italy 40, I have long position and short position. And Italy 40, why I have a long and short position is very obvious. I was going long, the market reversed, and I said, okay, I want to get this movement in, so I entered also a short position on Italy 40. So let me see, I am short on Italy 40. I entered at 19,009.3, and my take profit is at 18,979.4. There we go. And then we have also a long position on gold. Our nice one. And I entered here at 11. Kehinda, what you mean? I can't do one trade bearish on commodities? What you mean? I'm not sure. I didn't really get your question. Yeah, I'm shorting. Yes, you can short commodities as well. I'm, for example, on silver and on gold, I'm shorting right now. And you can, any asset which we have right now online here on our platform, the platform, you can short. And this is the advantage of Forex and CFD trading. Even shares you can short. Even shares, we have shares on our platform, and even those you can easily short. Let me see, we will maybe trade today buyer, and then we short. Most probably we will short buyer today. As you know, they had a takeover over Monsanto. Buyer took over Monsanto, and we might take actions over there. So our gold trade is giving us right now $1,000, and our take profit here is at 12,050. So our gold trade is giving us money, our Italy 40 trade is giving us money, and it's time to have a nice day. So we started bad in the morning. We have a small loss of $2,000. It's a normal thing. Let's see also oil. Oil dropped below $60 again. Oil dropped below $60, and the upcoming cut, oil cut, which we can see it coming, will push the price up. Guys, on oil, I'm going to go long. Guys, I'm planning to go long on oil. No, let me see. 5 minutes is showing long, 15 minutes is showing long. So we go long on oil. Another trade, a long trade. Here we go. We opened a long position on oil, and I will put my take profit. Here we go. 59.380 is my position, my take profit on oil. And as you know, we are a bit flexible. Guys, with Italy 40 and gold, I'm not satisfied. No, I have to be a bit more patient with gold. We are making money, but Kenda, opening a long position means I buy oil. When I say I go long, I mean I buy the asset. If I say I go short, I mean that I sell the position. So short is sell. We are selling, for example, oil. We are selling gold. We are selling Apple. So, and when you say long, we mean buy. So I am long on oil. And I put also my take profit and we will see. However, I opened several trades right now. I'm thinking of taking again a DAX position. Now that we pulled back, I'm thinking to open once again a DAX position. What do you think, guys? You're welcome, Kehinda. Guys, I'm thinking to sell again DAX. Here we go. I increased my exposure on DAX because I want to cover my loss, which I had this morning on DAX. I want to cover it. So I sold again DAX. And I will put my take profit a bit in a better place. So let me see. I will put my take profit at 11,360. This is my take profit for this gold trade, for this DAX trade. And with this DAX trade, I'm aiming $1,500 profit. It's another one trade on. On DAX. So I have two DAX position, one silver, one oil, 3 Italy 40, and one gold position right now open. On gold, I don't like the movements. It is very low and it is very slow. Let me see. I might adjust my take profit a bit. I put my take profit a bit higher on gold, and hopefully soon we will hit some take profit here. I see them. Come on. So on gold, we are making $600 right now. Our take profit is at $3,500. We are making yep, this is what we want. Okay, there we go. Some movement. Guys, the other very interesting asset today, as you know, we started slowly to trade a bit also on our shares, is Bayer and Monsanto. Okay, we will have some important news in 3 minutes. Kyriakos has British pounds trade, so we go directly to Kyriakos since we don't have any UK 100 positions open. Guys, we hit ching, hold, we hit take profit on gold. We hit take profit on gold, guys. Just a minute. We hit take profit $3,850 on gold within 20 minutes, and we covered our loss and made a profit of $1,800. Good one, and we will check out what will be the next one. Kyriakos, we are with you. Sorry.
No worries, Elif. So guys, I'm expecting important announcements. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. So the news announcements that will be out in approximately 1 minute from now have to do with average earnings, including and excluding bonus, as well as the Kleiman count change for the GBP. So basically, I'm closely monitoring. I haven't placed any positions yet on the GBPs. However, the plan is as follows, guys. You are monitoring pound Aussie. If the 15-minute candle closes above the MA of 200 periods, I will short it. And the same goes for pound yen. If the 15-minute candle closes above the MA of 200 periods, I will initiate short positions as well. On pound dollar, the same. If I see a close above the MA of 200 periods, I will go short. It's far away, but it's either this or I want to break to the downside on all three pairs to initiate any long or short positions. So I'm patiently waiting. I'm closely monitoring the pound pairs, and I will let you know if I have any positions. In the meantime, I'm still waiting for confirmation signals to enter positions on the Kiwi, on pound dollar, on euro yen, Aussie dollar we have, and on pound yen and pound Aussie. So for the moment, I have traded Aussie dollar, euro dollar, dollar CAD, dollar CHF, and dollar yen. This basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. We have 5 more pairs under monitoring conditions. And as soon as I see the setup, I will inform you if I place any more positions. Clayman count change came out worse than expected. 20.2 thousands versus 4.3 thousands expected. Average earnings excluding bonus came out better than expected. Expectations, we are talking about 3.1. It came out at 3.2%. ILO unemployment rate 3 months came out worse than expected. Expectations, we are talking about 4%. It came out at 4.1%. And average earnings including bonus came out exactly as expected at 3%. So on pound Aussie, I'm just waiting for a close above the MA of 200 periods and I will go short. For pound yen, the same. I'm expecting a close above the MA of 200 periods and I will initiate short positions. For euro yen, still don't have the right setup to trade it. Pound dollar, still I don't have the right setup to trade it. Kiwi, same goes for the Kiwi, guys. So let's see what their existing positions are doing. For the moment, I'm long Aussie dollar. So, and as you can see, the pair is holding to our long position level. Now, since yesterday, I have a short position on euro dollar. It's still developing, but at a very slow pace. We will see what we will do with that. My best performing trade, however, for the moment is a long position I have on dollar CAD, is rising nicely, and together with the decline of the oil price, I think that dollar CAD will go further up. Pound yen, as I said, I'm waiting for a close above the MA of 200 periods and I will go short. And the same goes for pound Aussie. So we have some positions. How many of you have followed me on any of these positions? No need to remind you that if you decide to follow me, it's better for you to choose positions which are on a negative sign or on a small positive number. This means that you will get the price at a better price than what I did, and your risk reward ratios will also be greater than me. So will be better than me actually. So have this in mind, guys. Currently I have positions on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. I'm closely monitoring the other 5 pairs. And if I have any trades, of course, you will be the first ones to know. Now, how many of you are trading Forex? Adrian, Alice, Dave, Donald, Gabriel, Gerhard, good morning. Kehinde, good morning. Welcome. Mina, Nuno, Patrick, Rachel, Sith. How many of you guys? You have an issue with your platform. Okay, Nuno, you need to contact your account manager at trademy.com. Gabriel is asking what is the best point to go in on minus. The worse the number is, the better it is for you, Gabriel. So, for example, you see here that my long position is losing 1,600. He will reply to you, Gehinde, don't worry. So, for example, on dollar CHF, I'm losing $1,636 on my last long position. It's a minus sign. The more minus you have, the better it is for you. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Gabriel, have I answered your question? Great. Don't forget to use this Excel spreadsheet. For example, if you follow me now on $CHF, that's your initial position size. If I reverse, for me is the second reversal, but for you is the first reversal. So you need to use the corresponding position size. The initial position size is the first trade, the first time you push the button. It doesn't matter if I am on the third, on the fourth, on the fifth reversal, you start with the first. So for example, on $CHF, I'm already here. If you decide to follow me now, you are here. If I say reverse, I will be here and you will be here. Is it clear, guys? It's very important to clarify this. Is it clear? All right. All right. So, Nuno, your pound yen position hit TP, right? The other day, because yesterday you were not here. Good. You see, patience. How much have you made from that? Basically, this Excel, it's available to your account managers, Kehinde. You just, based on your account balance, you just put the initial position size you wish to open, okay? If you decide to open 0.05, have in mind that you might need to open up to 8 reversals. So if you open a position size of 0.01, have in mind that you might need to open a 3.58 lots position. So you don't need to follow me on all the pairs. Choose one and do that if your account size is small. And you must always check your leverage. So the position size calculation comes out automatically using the Excel I have provided to your account managers, Kehinde, okay? Is this clear? Now, you get the position size calculation from the Excel, but the exact entry, TP, and stop loss levels, you get them here live in our live trading room. Okay, it's very important. And don't try to use it in random. There are particular levels to use this. If you try and use it in random, it's a matter of time to bust your account. So stay with us in the live trading room to get the levels if you wish to follow us. So, all right, noted. Now, let me go through again the pairs. Pound Aussie, I'm still waiting for a close above the MA of 200 periods, and that will be a lovely short. For pound yen, I'm still waiting for a close above the MA 200 periods. Now, euro yen, if I see a close below the lower Bollinger Band, then I will check for short positions. Otherwise, I'm not touching it unless I see a close above the MA of 200 periods for short positions again. So I'm patiently waiting for the right setup to develop on euro yen. Either we close below the lower Bollinger Band and we initiate most probably short positions. I will examine it when it happens. Or I'm waiting to close above MA 200 periods for short positions again. Now, pound dollar is still far away, guys. It's still far away. It still needs some room for further development. Now, for the Kiwi, let me see Kiwi. For the Kiwi, guys, if I see a close above the upper Bollinger Band, I will check and see for long positions. If I see a close below the MA of 200 periods, I will check and see whether I will go long or short positions. So we need to be a bit patient on the pairs today, guys. Now, on euro dollar, on dollar CAD, on dollar yen, on dollar CHF, and on Aussie dollar, we currently have positions running. So 5 pairs for the moment. And don't forget that our one-to-one sessions can concentrate this month, if you wish, to checklist preparation. You will have your own personal, highly customized based on your trading profile checklist with probabilities of success of every trade you place, with analysis, with ratings, with everything, guys. We can do it. We can do this one for you together. And also we can, if you have a system, we can optimize it. That is, check the parameters and make it even more successful. Or if you don't have a system, you can come to a one-to-one session with us, and we will carefully analyze your behavior and suggest a system that best suits your trading profile and tactics, and of course make your own personal checklists. Checklists are very important for traders. So that's all I have for the moment. Let me check regarding news announcements. We have in approximately 20 minutes German announcements. Elif, you have an update?
Yes.
Okay, let's go straight to Elif.
Guys, look at gold. Look at gold. We put a pending order. As you remember, it got triggered and now it crashed down and we hit take profit. We closed another position on gold with $2,700. It's moving crazily. It dropped below 12,000. Let me sell again gold. I just sold again gold. Here we go. We just sold again gold, guys. It's a crazy move. We just sold again gold, and let me put a take profit here again. I put my take profit at 1,198. 1,198. I put my take profit, and it's approximately 4,000 euros profit, which I'm expecting here. It's going crazily. Look also on silver. On silver, we are making right now $350, and I put my take profit at $2,000 here. And come on silver, we are also close to hit our take profit on silver. This is silver. We need it dropped also here below. Not yet. Come on. Our ask price and our bid price, it's differing so much that okay, come on. We'll get there. We had a really strong move, guys, on gold. So now also Italy 40 started to reverse again. As you remember, we were long with two positions and then we shorted Italy 40. I will leave it a bit more Italy 40 and then I will short it again. So on gold, since we went, okay, let's put a pending order again on gold, guys. I'm putting a pending order once again on gold. I want to increase my exposure on gold, pending order. So a sell limit, I put a sell limit for all of you who don't know what a sell limit is. Sell limit is when you put a price in which the position should start sell. Now it's already too late to put it. Wait a minute more. So Kehinda, how do I calculate your lot size or volume in commodities? Do you have do you use pip in commodities like Forex? Yes, they are also called pips and points as in Forex as well. And the calculation, you mean how much you need to trade? Well, since I'm not using like Kyriakos hedging strategy as Kyriakos and a reverse strategy, I don't have this Excel as Kyriakos. How you calculate your volume and your profits, we have a very nice webinar about it. I will leave the webinar to play today after our session. Take your notes over there. Everything is very clearly explained. So guys, we have a lot of volatility right now on the markets. Let me see. I will enter again a position on gold. I'm getting ready to enter again a gold position. Getting ready to sell again gold. Come on a bit. Missed. I want a better price and I will sell it again. I will sell it again. Come on, a bit more. There is no link. We will have this webinar showing here, Kehinde, during our live trading session. Once we finish the session, we will show the webinar. The webinar is exclusively only for our live trading session attendees. So there is no recording of this webinar. If you want to watch it, just stay online with us and you will watch, you will see the calculations. Wait a minute. So guys, I'm selling now again gold. I just sold again gold. And I will put my take profit at 11,900. Okay, guys, now we have 900. No, 1,198.70. There we go. So this is my next trade. So Kehinde, as I said, we will show the webinar shortly after we finish the live trading session now. So stay with us so you can watch it. Today the market is really tense. It's really tense. I don't like this tension. It's getting. Let me see. Maybe we have to take some actions. The setup on Italy 40 is clear. We will hit our take profit here and then it will move up and then we have to close these two positions and it will be done. So on gold, we are in a very crucial moment, guys. We are very, very crucial. It is again at 1,200. At the level of 1,200, it's a very strong psychological support, the 1,200 level of gold. And as you remember, I told you many times, guys, I told you many, many times, and I will tell it now once again. If we break this level, sky is the limit. It goes up to 1,240, as you can see here. We break and it stayed. And if we drop, it goes until 1,180-ish level. So you see over here, this range here. Now on gold, we see a strong downtrend. We see a strong downtrend. We have two sell positions open. We have two sell positions open on gold. And I'm expecting here some serious money today. I'm expecting some serious, nice money today. Kehinde, it depends. I'm not always using moving averages. Moving averages is for me kind of orientation. If I see that the moving average is coming close, I put my take profits accordingly. But I don't trade based on the moving average. Kyriakos is different on that. He's trading on that. So, guys, look at gold right now. We have this nice drop. There is a clear downtrend. But because we are very close to the 1,200 session, the 1,200 level, we have to be a bit carefully. I have to see if it will drop below or not. What's going on with Italy 40? Italy 40 dropped strongly. Nice, nice, nice. We will get some money on Italy 40 on also on DAX. That's clear. Now on gold, I'm thinking if I should enter another one trade, but then we are highly exposed and I don't want to be so exposed. Let's see, let's see. So guys, we closed already 2 positions on gold. You are shorting silver, Dave, that's good. We have already 1 silver position shorted. Let me see. Yep, silver is a definite short trade. We are close on silver to make some money. To hit our take profit, only the spread remained. And then we will have also some nice money on silver. Let me see. We are, yep, you see, silver is a short trade. So let's see. Good, good, good. I see. These are currently moving on. Gold is highly interesting, but we have to be very, very carefully. No, Dave, nothing went wrong. It didn't close. You see, my silver position, here we go, is also below, currently below the take profit, but it's still running because on the chart, you will always see the bid price. You will always see the bid price. But if you have a sell position, then the position close with the ask price, the buy price. You understand? And now the bid price is below the take profit, but the ask price is not. So since your position will close with the ask price, you have to wait until the ask price is also below that level. You see that here? Wait a minute. You see that here? There we go. You can see it also here always. The price, the current price is 14.41. The current price. This is the price which is actually valid for you. And if your take profit is here, you can directly compare it very well. Nice one. Good. So let me go now to Kyriakos, and you're welcome to Kyriakos, and we check our, okay, hold on Italy 40. Let me check once again DAX. No, DAX is okay. Let's go to Kyriakos to update us about our Forex pairs, and then we will be back here with me.
Okay, guys, because a lot of people are asking us about what strategies we use and what tools we use, and I need to tell you something, guys. It doesn't mean that if these tools work for me, they will work for you as well. It also depends on the trading profile you have. I mean, if, for example, a leaf uses my moving averages because she is more intraday scalping method, my moving averages will not work for their strategy. If I use her moving averages applied to Forex on the method I'm using to trade, they will not work. So first thing that we need to do, guys, together is to identify what type of traders you are and how can you determine that. It's a very easy process, but at the same time, it's a very difficult process. Why? Because first of all, you need to decide how much time you can spend in front of the computer. If you can spend in front of your computer every day 4, 5, 6 hours, then and you have the stamina to withstand with it, because you might have the time to spend, but maybe your stress and your impatience do not allow you to make money if you use this strategy. So it really depends what type of trader you are. That's why we have the one-to-one sessions, in order to tell us exactly all these parameters that will determine what type of trader you are, in order for us then to be able to identify what key technical tools are best suitable for the strategy that we can design together with you. So that's exactly why we have the one-to-one sessions, guys. So you will not find any book telling you, you are an intraday trader. This is not, cannot be learned by books. They can be learned and designed from people who have 10, 15 years of experience, like us, for example, me and Kiri and Elif. So we have seen many traders, and we know as soon as you give us we will give you a small questionnaire. As soon as you answer our questions and we have one-to-one sessions with you, we will figure out what type of trader you are, and we will tell you what type of trading tactics are suitable for you. The key is to accept this and try to adjust your trading style on this, because if you say, oh my God, I want to be a scalper because I like fast profits, but you don't have the characteristics of a scalper, what will happen? You will lose money, because scalping is a very difficult trading tactic for some of you to be successful. Elif is doing great, for example. I cannot do scalping, for example. Okay, so I'm more of a 24, 48, 72 hours trader in the Forex market. Sometimes we close the positions the same day. So it really depends, and it's very important to join us in a one-to-one sessions in order to figure out what type of traders you are and offer you a complete package of checklists, trading systems, all the assistance you need to have in order to become successful, guys. So going back to our trades, I'm still stuck with 5 positions, 5 Forex pairs. Let me check also Pound Aussie, no significant movements for the moment. Pound Yen, nothing. I'm still waiting for confirmation. Euro Yen, if I have a break below the lower Bollinger Band, I will assess the situation again for possible short positions. Otherwise, I'm not touching it. Pound Dollar, still a long way to go, guys. We need to wait. And Kiwi, again, if I see a close above the upper Bollinger Band, I will assess the situation again for possible long positions. And I'm closely monitoring the trades. For the moment, I have a long position on Aussie dollar. It's holding around our long entry level. I have short positions on euro dollar. For the moment, it's trading below my short position entry level. I have long positions on dollar CAD. I definitely want to see a break of yesterday's highs. Dollar CAD yesterday closed at the highest level, I think. Yes, it was a very bullish day from dollar CAD. The correction was expected, and now I believe that today we might see new highs. All is needed is to break yesterday's highs at this level, 132.50. If we have a close above that, our TP is slightly above that at 55.9. Dollar CHF, for the moment we have long positions. Now, if the price breaks below the MA50, then we will observe a free fall. That's why I will reverse to short positions, and the price is expected to quickly test the MA of 200 periods area. And the last one that I have initiated today, I have initiated a long position upon receiving the necessary confirmations on dollar yen. Is in a narrow trading range, but close to the daily highs, which is very encouraging technically for further upside movement. If we break this range to the upside, I'm expecting the pair to test 114.50. So these are the current positions that I have. Remember that if you would like to follow us on any of these positions, it is much better to choose trades with a minus sign. It means that you will get it at a better price than what we did, and you will have a better reward to risk ratio. If I say reverse, just simply reverse. Always using reverse, I mean open the opposite trade. If I'm long and I say reverse to short, it means that you press the sell button, okay? Long means buy, short means sell. And the position size calculation can always be used by using the Excel spreadsheet that I have provided to your account managers. So best performing trade for the moment, long position on dollar CAD. Worst performing pair for the moment is dollar CHF. So any questions, guys? Any questions at all? Kehinde, have I answered your questions regarding MAs and how you use them and if they are suitable to you? What about the rest of you guys? Do you have any questions? What about Rachel? What about Seth? Nuno? Any questions? What about Kehinde? Okay, you have answered. We have answered your question. Thank you very much. What about Gerhard? What about Julia? Any questions, guys? What about Chris? Any questions you have, we are here for you. And it's good to have questions. And you know what? I had a teacher that once told me, there is not a stupid question. There is always a stupid answer. So, I still wonder what you mean by reverse position on the spreadsheet. Okay, let's see. Let me explain you very briefly, Kehinde, although you can answer these questions using your account managers. For example, let's say that you have opened a short position on dollar CAD. This is the first position that was initiated on dollar CAD, okay? So this means we are here, initial position size 0.01. If I say reverse to long positions on dollar CAD, it means that we are now on the first reverse position. Is it clear? If I say again, reverse, now we are long. If I say in the chat room, reverse to short positions, it means that we have reversed one time to long, and then we reverse to second time to short. It means that you are now here with this position size. But anyway, as I said, we can thoroughly examine with you the strategy and even optimize it to best suit your trading tactics using a one-to-one session. That's why we have the one-to-one sessions, guys. So that's all we have for the moment. I don't know if Elif, do you have any further updates? Okay, let's go for the concluding remarks of this morning session to Elif. You are very welcome, Kehinde, and it's nice to see people participating in our live trading room. You are here to learn, guys. Take advantage of us in a good sense. Let's go straight to Elif then.
Hello, guys. So we have to be a bit aware. If somebody followed me on the Italy 40 positions, please be very, very carefully with our sell position, because I'm expecting again a reversal. Currently, I'm making $1,280 on that position. My take profit on that position is at $3,300. And I see soon on my stochastic oscillator a reversal. We have to be carefully here, guys. Wait, maybe we will hit it right now. Maybe we will hit it right now. One more push and we are there on Italy 40 to hit our take profit, guys. We are getting to hit our take profit on Italy 40 on our sell position. Yes, Kehinde, you can modify your take profit by just typing on, by just clicking on the trade and changing it here. There we go, guys. Just hit take profit on Italy 40. Ching, ching. We made $3,358 on our Italy 40 position. Guys, we made $3,358. Thank you, Nuno. Dollars on our Italy 40 position, and we increased our profits to $7,934. We have to be now a bit aware to check when the next reversal will come. When the next reversal will come, I will again go long and make small profits. It seems that we have here a range. You see, we see that here, let me put it here. here this to this. Let me see, where is it here? Here we go to a movement like that. Okay, not the best way of drawings, but this is the channel in which we are moving right now. We have to take some action. Guys, we hit another take profit on gold. We hit a take profit on gold, $3,500. So towards the end of the session, we get some money in, guys. We increased our profits to $11,434. Another one gold position is in. So we are on Italy 40 in this channel, and when we move again up, we have to go long and close our positions with tight take profits to make money out of this channel, guys. We have to make money out of this channel. I will come online and tell you when I'm going long and when I'm going short. So be with us here to see how we are moving on. And as I said beforehand, we will put some educational webinars. I see Kehinde would like to know the calculations and also how to modify take profits, how to set take profits. We have also a webinar about that, and we will put that as well. They are not very long, Kehinde. We have webinars from 10 minutes up to half an hour. Not very long, so we put them in between our live trading sessions. So I think 2 of your questions will be answered when you are watching those webinars. So especially with the take profit, shortly to explain, yes, you can modify them. The one way to modify them is just by clicking on your take profit and dragging them, or you just go to your account trade history and you click on the trade and adjust it manually on the trade. Easy as that. So our guys, we are making money on silver. We are making $1,000. On gold, we are making $2,300. On DAX, we are making $500. Guys, the day is moving. The day is moving. During the live trading session, we had some issues. We didn't manage to close positions during the trading session, and I was a bit worried about the setup, but now everything moves as I want. So stay with us, guys. We will inform you about our trades, and soon we will hit more take profits. So enjoy earning money, and we will be back here. So see you guys. Guys, another one is in the bucket. On gold, we hit another one take profit, $4,900, and we increased our profits to $16,334 so far. We go very nicely. We have a nice start, although I'm a bit worried about Italy 40, about our 2 buy positions on Italy 40. I'm looking for a nice entry moment and for a reversal on Italy 40. On gold, I will check again when we will go again short. I will let you know, guys. So let's see. But we increased our profit so far to $16,334, guys. Thank you. Guys, we have a great day. We just closed our got silver position. We hit take profit on silver with $2,150. We increased our profits to 18,484. And we opened another gold trade, guys. We shorted again gold or at 11,969 696, and we also shorted Italy 40 once again. So we are left with our DAX positions, guys. On gold, we are making again money. We are making already $400 on gold. Let me put directly take profit. We are making $1,000. It's moving crazily. Gold is dropping extremely. Gold is dropping extremely. Let me put a take profit. I will put my take profit at 11,000. 1,196.05. This is my take profit. Here we go. I just opened my take profit. And with this take profit, I will get $4,250. Let me see. Currently, we are making $1,000 also. Okay, we'll be okay. So guys, we increased our profit so far to $18,484. A nice one. Let me see. We have now a gold position open, and we see maybe we will have soon some more money in our pocket. So wait to see us at. Hello everybody, welcome to our live trading session, and I hope you had a nice afternoon. Here it was extremely volatile. Gold shooted above 1,200. Italy 40 shooted. As you know, today is the deadline to provide the necessary data, and we are here looking forward to have a nice session. Guys, today we will have a small different session than usual. Let me see who is with us this morning. Afternoon. Let me see. It's Chris is with us. Dan is with us. Donald. Hello, Donald. Hello, Dan. Fanos is with us. Hello, Fanos. Fred is also with us. Gabriel, Gerhard, Julia, Kaylee, Laura, Mary, the wonderful Mary, Megan, Natalie, Nuno, Patrick. Oh, we are a lot of people. Rachel, hello, Rachel. And also Sushila is with us. Guys, what we will today, for the beginning of our session until the US market opens a bit in a short while, we decided with Kyriakos that we will make an open question session. So you guys have the unique possibility right now to ask whatever you want to, and we will answer it live over here. Like if you want to know how we set our indicators or how we read our indicators, why we use a certain indicator, when we are using this indicator, just shoot with your question. Now it's the time to ask whatever you want to see, whatever you want to learn. You ask, we answer. So go ahead, guys. Go ahead. It's your turn to shoot your questions, and we will be here answering everything you want. Everything you want. So, yeah. So, yes, Kyriakos is saying just keep the question related to trading. And the first question comes from Kyriakos. Elif, how old are you today? Well, I think after I turned 30, I stopped counting. As you know, guys, today is my birthday. Kyriakos had a small party, organized a small party for me today. And yes, he's asking me how old I am. It's been some years that I stopped counting. So I have still to go to 40, but not much. The half is over. The second half started. The first half of the second half is over as well. So, yes, I think you can. So Kyriakos is saying, guys, shall I reveal her age? I don't have an insurance. Yes, he knows that I'm quite strong, and I can beat up people, including Kyriakos. And since he doesn't have an insurance, it's pity for his wife and his children. Right, Kyriakos? However, yes, guys, so it's up to you. You can design now the first half an hour of this trading session. You can design the session as you want. It's a really interesting day today. A lot of movements we saw on the markets. Gold dropped below 1,200 and then it shooted up again, and we made some profits. Here we go. We made until now today $20,852 today, only today, through trading gold, silver, Italy 40 and DAX. We had also a small loss on DAX, and this is in general our trading results so far. The US opening is approaching, and we are looking forward to see some movements on the markets, but it's good. So let's have a tea and we start with your questions. So let me start. Okay, guys. The last few days we had several questions. We had several questions regarding chart setup and chart reading and pattern reading and indicators. So I will explain a bit indicators, and Kyriakos can always add to this what I'm saying. His knowledge, as you know, Kyriakos is a CMT, and it's a CMT holder and knows the indicators like his, we would say in Germany, like his left pocket. Like his left pocket. Yes, this is what we say. And let's go. It's a unique opportunity. Let's start with the Bollinger Bands. Oh, nice one, nice one. I think we are close to hit. Take profit. I see. It's empty. Kyriakos is saying, Elif, it's empty, my wallet. It's on my right pocket. But at least you know that your left pocket is empty, Kyriakos. This is what I'm meaning. You know what is in your left pocket. And this is what in Germany we used to say, you know, yes, something as good as your left pocket. However, so yes, Bollinger Bands. I like to explain I like to explain everything very simple, guys. I like to explain it very, very simple, and I will do that now. So, as you know me by now, I love to explain stuff in forms of metaphors. So, regarding Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands for me, I will first show you guys how you insert in general indicators. So you have an idea how everything starts, you know. We go. Let's start with France 40. Okay, let's say we want to analyze France 40. We go here on chart on France 40, press the right, we click right with the right mouse click, go to chart windows, and a new chart window is opening. Voila! And here we have this basic setup, guys. Very basic, simple setup. What we need, when we look at the price, at the simple price, it's like no idea. Is it good? Is it bad? What's happening? Where we stand. It's like we are in a desert without a compass, right? We don't know where is right, where is left. So, to understand and get an orientation, okay. So to get an understanding of where you are, to get an orientation, you need to get some environment. And for me, this environment, the orientation, Bollinger Bands give me. So how do I put the Bollinger Bands? I go to Insert, I go to Indicators, I go to Trend, Bollinger Bands. There we go. I put the basic setup, as we see here. Here we go. We have these nice 3 lines. We have these nice 3 lines. These nice 3 lines give me an idea where the price is currently based. So it gives me the idea if my price is traded low, high, middle, if my price action is in a range, if it's in a trend, or if it's in a reversal. So how do I see that? It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Let me see what's going on with DAX. Very close to hit take profit. Nice one. So yes, this is very simple, guys. It's extremely simple. The Bollinger Bands, they're like a frame around the price. You see, this is the upper Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. So if the price is most of the time in between the upper and the lower. Several times it breaks out, but then it reverses and comes back again in the middle. So what does this mean? When you are trading, guys, you can anytime interrupt me and ask any question you want, okay? So if I'm not clear or something was too fast for you, just interrupt me and shoot your questions. It's today your day. You can trade and you can ask and we will answer. This is what we will do today. So if the price is on the lower Bollinger Band, it is most likely that the price will reverse and move towards the upper Bollinger Band. It will most probably bounce. And when I say bounce, I choose this word very, very well known. It's a very correct word for this case, because imagine that the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band is like a wall, like a tunnel. And the Bollinger and the price in the tunnel is like a ball. So each time when the price hits against the wall, it bounces back. It hits, bounce back, hits, bounce back, hits, bounce back. And in general, you can see on the situation of the Bollinger Band if it's a trend, if it's a trend, or if it's a squeeze, if it's a channel, and so on. For example, when you see that the slope of the Bollinger Bands are down, like we have it here in this case, and the price is moving next to the lower Bollinger Band, and next to the lower Bollinger Band, and between middle Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band, then this is a clear downtrend. This is a very, very clear downtrend, and you can easily trade this movement. You can easily trade this movement. Nice one. So, Kyriakos, do you have anything to add to this?
Basically, as I have mentioned a lot of times, Elif, Bollinger Bands are used to determine whether we have a transition of low volatility, of high volatility trading to low volatility trading. You are absolutely right. I will use your chart because you have it. So, no, the prices work now. You can close positions. So basically, when we have a transition, how I do interpreting Bollinger Bands, as you can see on your chart, when the candles are they have a wide range and they change to smaller candles, it means that we have a transition from high volatility to low volatility trading. So let me share my screen in order for you to see what I mean. So for example, here on pound yen, as you can see, we have big blue candles. They were big relatively in size. And then we have observed a sideways movement, another important prerequisite of the squeeze and breakout signal of the Bollinger Bands. We have a sideways movement, and the size of the candles, you can see that is relatively very small. So you observe a transition period of several number of candles where you see very small candles. This indicates that we are entering a consolidation phase, a low volatility phase. And then as soon as you see an upside breakout, you see that the Bollinger Bands diverge. The upper Bollinger Band has an upward slope and the lower Bollinger Band has a downward slope. As soon as you see a close above the open Bollinger Band, that's usually in technical analysis a buy signal. And this indicates that the next volatile period, the next volatile season, the next volatile directional movement is about to start. Of course, depending on the time frames you are monitoring them, the smaller the time frame is, the more whipsaws, false signals you will get. I'm personally using, based on the existing strategy that I have, I'm personally using these signals on the 15-minute chart. That time frame suits me best based on my trading strategy. Maybe for your strategy, maybe the most appropriate is the 30-minute or the 1 hour. That's something that we definitely need to check together if you come to one-to-one session with us, guys. And that's exactly the purpose of the one-to-one sessions. So let's see what the positions are doing, guys. So let's see what the current positions are and where we stand at the moment. So let me bring on my screen the account summary so that we can see. Now, the only pair that I haven't traded for the moment for the day is Euro-Yen. On all the other pairs, I have positions. So I have traded on 9 Forex pairs today. I got confirmations for pound dollar and pound Aussie, and you can see that I have entered short positions. Let's see the trades one by one, and let me update you about my current positions. For Aussie dollar, I have opened a long position in the morning and it's still valid. So the first one that I have is a long position on Aussie dollar at 0.71. Just a moment, guys, because I'm approaching the 40s, and if you approach the 40s, you will start having problem with your eye visions. So 71,962, that's the entry level I have. Stop loss 0.71392 and TP 0.72312. That's the first trade I have for the moment in the money. It's in the money, guys. The other position that is doing very well and is making me the majority of the profits in absolute terms is my long position. I have reversed to long positions on euro dollar. So second position, long euro USD at 1.12613, stop loss 1.12043, and TP 1.12963, currently making us a bit more than $3,000. Next one, as I have informed you in the chat room a few minutes ago, I have also entered a brand new short position today on pound Aussie at 1.79921, stop loss 1.80491, and TP 1.79571. Okay, short pound Aussie. Next one, I have also entered a short position. I have reversed to short positions on pound yen. So I'm short on pound yen at 147.623, stop loss 148.194, and TP 147.274. Next one, I have also opened a short position on pound dollar at 1.29743, stop loss 1.3313, TP 1.29393, and then as soon as I finish the update, I will go one by one and check how the trades are performing. Next one, I'm also short the Kiwi at let me see, 0.67505, stop loss 0.68075, and TP 0.67155. Next one, I have reversed to long positions on dollar CAD, and I think we will soon see green lights on dollar CAD. We haven't closed any positions, just a minor mistake I have done a few minutes ago, but we haven't closed any positions today, guys. So I believe it is time to start realizing some profits. So trade number 7, I'm long the loonie dollar CAD at 1.32209, stop loss 1.31639, and TP 1.32559. Next one, I have reversed 8th position, 8th Forex pair. I have reversed to short positions on dollar CHF at 1.00949, stop loss 1.01519, TP 1.00599. Let me see if I put the numbers correct. And the last position I have for the moment, the 9th one, as I said, I have traded all the pairs except Euro Yen. I haven't received any confirmation yet. It's a short position on dollar yen at 113.902, stop loss 114.472, and TP at 113.552. So let's see how our positions are doing and what the setups are telling me. Guys, we are long on Aussie dollar. We have entered a long position on Aussie dollar today. And the pair, as you can see, is consolidating between the two MAs, MA50 and MA200 periods. Okay, it's an either side breakout, guys. And the good thing is that it's still holding above its MA50. Now, if we see a break, then I have my sell stop order to head short position here. So it's still far away from a break, but I believe that the consolidation will continue during our trading session. Next one, long euro dollar. Euro dollar is on a nice upside move since the morning. It has opened for the day at 112.16, is now trading almost 50 pips above that. We have reversed to long positions at the level of 1.12613, and I believe that if it continues this consolidation above the MA50, I believe that we might retest the 113 psychological round number, which is now a resistance level. Pound Aussie, I have entered on Pound Aussie. This is called an intraday trend contrarian trade, okay? It's a contrarian trade I have entered here against the intraday trend. Okay, so this is my first contrarian trend trade for intraday trends. I have shorted it, I believe, at a very good level, close to the daily highs. And all I'm looking for is a correction towards the MA of 200 periods. High probability trade. If we see, however, a close above today's highs, I will reverse positions to long. It means that that's not the daily high, guys. We are going higher. Next one. I have also shorted pound yen. Okay, the pair has risen above the MA of 200 periods, but here I have a top formed. So what I'm expecting pound yen to test again the MA of 200 periods, and if it breaks it, then we will make money on our short positions. Pound dollar, that's another. On the pounds, generally on the pounds today, I'm an intraday contrarian, okay, for the moment. I'm short on pound Aussie, I'm short on pound yen, and I'm also short on pound dollar, close to the daily highs for the moment. All I'm asking from pound dollar is for the price to break again below the 200 period MA and retest the short-term moving averages. Again, I believe that we have good chances to see that. Next one, I am short the Kiwi. Yes, I have traded also the Kiwi. We are close to daily highs. In order for me to be persuaded that this pair will go even higher, I need to see significant movement to the upside. Even if it goes here, it's still not so much persuasive for me that will continue to go higher. I believe the MA of 200 periods will be retested. If, however, we have a close above 67.60, then I will reverse to long position for higher levels. Next one, I'm long dollar CAD, a nice V reversal. That's good what I'm seeing now. I'm long dollar CAD. This is called a V reversal. It has tested nicely here the MA50 and the pair now. If we break today's and yesterday's highs, is a free wheel to the upside, guys. Always in combination with the declining price of crude oil. Usually dollar CAD and crude oil are mirror instruments. If oil, at the majority of the cases, we are never 100% confident or sure that we will do that. But on the majority, if oil falls, dollar CAD goes up. So this decline in oil, I believe that it will boost further up dollar CAD to higher levels. And we are long on that. Dollar CHF. So dollar CHF, we have short positions. The only thing that worries me on my short positions is that my take profit is below the MA of 200 periods. If we have a slight break of the MA of 200 periods, then we will get our short position take profits. On the other hand, a close to the daily highs will initiate hedge short positions. It means that we are going higher. It will be very interesting to see how this trade will develop throughout the day. And the last trade I have for the moment is a short position on dollar yen. Again, here I'm worried a bit for the short position because the TP is well below the MA of 200 period. So I'm expecting some consolidation here, and it will be very interesting to see if the price today will manage to break below today's lows. If we see that, we are hitting again TP. So I see that the leaf shorted everything. So the US Open starts, short them, a leaf.
Guys, yes, I shorted a bit USA 30 and USA 100, but on USA 30, I still have a bit to go to short a bit more than I have already. Let me see. I shorted USA 30, I shorted USA 100, and we are getting ready to short more. We have another 30 seconds to go for the US opening, and we are getting ready. So post last LT of the day. So as you know, there we go. Look at USA 100. Look at USA 100. It's going a bit up. Now I'm selling a bit more on USA 30. Come on. I'm selling. Neden mi şimdi böyle? Makul. I'm moving now to Kyriakos immediately.
Okay, guys, let's see. So we are monitoring the only pair that I haven't traded today, guys. And this pair is Euro-Yen. Now, why I haven't traded today, guys, Euro-Yen is for several reasons. First of all, in order for me to initiate any positions on any pair, I need to have the so-called consensus confirming my positions, okay? So if I have a bullish cross of the short-term MAs and this bullish cross is below MA 200 periods, then this gives contradicting results on my positions. And for this reason, I cannot trade any positions. On the other hand, for instruments like, for example, dollar CAD, what do we see? Look at the difference now. Here we have a bullish cross of the MAs, but are above the MA50. So this means that we have a consensus. So that's why I have long positions on dollar CAD. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm using when I trade. So I try to get consensus of the signals confirming my with the trend or my against the trend whenever I trade, whenever I push the button. So what is important, guys, when you trade is to, first of all, to make a wise choice of the instruments that you will put on the chart. And when I say wise choice is you don't need to have oscillators or moving averages which show the same thing. What do I mean? For me, rock and RSI, they are of the same use, so there is no point of having RSI and rock on your charts together. Or for example, Ichimoku and Bollinger Bands. They cannot be combined. At least I haven't found a way to combine them together. Or moving averages and Tengan and Kinjun Sen of the Ichimoku. What's the point of that? You have the moving averages. You don't need to have additional tools. You don't need to fill in the chart with lines. Okay, just to say that, you know, I have also Ichimoku. Wow, I have also rock. Wow, I also have RSI. Look at the colors. They look nice. That's not the purpose of choosing oscillators. The oscillators are not chosen to make you look good. The oscillators are chosen carefully. Even the combinations of oscillators, they are chosen carefully in order to assist you get better entry and exit levels from your positions, and at the end of the story, to make money. The oscillators are not there just to make your screen look good. And because I see some people on Twitter and Facebook, they put like 1,000 colors, their screens, they look like rainbows. And they cannot even see the price chart when they are trading. They say, look, I'm a trader. No, you're absolutely not. And we know that. Exactly, Povilas. He's like Picasso paintings. So what's the point of having fancy colors just to look good? Believe me, guys, even if you have 1-2 oscillators and you manage to master them and to know exactly how they work, you can still make money out of trading. So there are some combinations that for me it's a sin. It's a very bad thing to have them together. And I gave some examples. For example, moving averages and Tengan Sen, Kinjun Sen of Ichimoku and Cloud. What is the usefulness? What is the point of that? Absolutely no point to have that, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that whenever I push the button, whenever I trade, I have chosen for the last 6 months, those of you who are enough time with us, you always see me trading using these oscillators. It is because these are the oscillators that best suit my trading profile, my trading entry levels, my trading style. It doesn't necessarily mean that these are the best also for you, because each one of us is a different person and trades very differently, okay? So as Elif is saying now, today is a free ask FAQ sessions. Okay, guys, you can ask us anything you want regarding trading and systems and oscillators, and you can talk about your positions. This is a unique opportunity that you have to get in touch with us, communicate with us, ask us questions. You can also ask us your questions. It's an open Q&A session today. So don't hesitate to ask us any questions that you have regarding oscillators, technical analysis, trading systems. What is your system? What type of tools you are using? Write me your combination, for example, that you use when you trade. Which instruments do you? What type of tools are you using when you are trading Forex, for example, or CFDs? And we can have a look together, and I will tell you what's the point of that. It's the same thing. Remove it. Put that one. We can offer that if you would like, and have a nice discussion here in our live trading room. So for the moment, we are Q&A, open-ended session. So you have around 30 more minutes, guys, to ask us your questions. Let's see who is with us today. We have a lot of people with us today. I see Chris. Good afternoon, Chris, and welcome. Good afternoon, Dan and Dan. We have two Dans here. I think Dan is when you get a black belt, right? In karate. You get one Dan. We have every stage has it. Okay, we are in an advanced stage because we have two Dans. Guys, how are you? Dan Degelman and Dan Creek. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I also see Dave. Hello, Dan. How are you today? Are you enjoying, guys, the LTR? Hello, Dave. Okay, guys, FAQ questions, open-ended questions regarding capital efficiency. We have a question from Bovilas. Hello. Is the question referred to me or to Elif? Bovilas, it's better to mention the name when you ask a question. To me. Okay, regarding capital efficiency, what would you call a good return per month, per year? That's a nice one. If you are trading less than 1 year, Povilas, anything positive is good. If you are trading less than 2 years, anything above 0 is good. If you are trading for 4 to 6 years, a good trader for me is anyone that makes between 0.4 and 0.9% per month. And if you have more than 6 years of experience, anything up to 1.75% per month, it's a good return. Okay, have I answered your question? So more than 6 years, up to 1.75% return per month, sustainable income, it's a good return. Okay, now pay attention, guys, to the numbers I have used. I said up to 2 years, anything positive is good. From 2 to 4, 0.3 to 0.9%. Above 4, above 6, okay, 4, 6, doesn't matter. Anything up to 1.75% return is excellent. So try to be realistic. Don't expect that we will become millionaires from one time to another. What is important is to have consistency and stability in your returns. What do I mean by that? Because I'm monitoring traders for the past 15 years, and some of you know it here. That's my job, actually. I don't like to see a trader that the first month made a return of plus 7% and the next month lost 5% and the third month won 4% and the fourth month lost 0.5%. This is something that I don't like to see. I prefer to see a trader who is sustainable, making 1 to 1.5% per month with very minimum drop down. That's my answer. Have I answered your question, Bovilas? Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, next one. What about Dan? Dan, do you have any questions for us? Very nice question, Bovilas, by the way. A lot of people have this question unanswered. Now you get the answer. So guys, what about the rest? Dan doesn't have. What about the other Dan? Degelman, Dan. Any questions? What about Dave? Dave, any questions for us, guys? Come on. Still confused. Confused about what? How can we assist you not to be confused? What is the cause of your confusion? Dave, not right now, all right. If you can clarify, Dan, on which subjects you are confused, we are more than happy to assist you. That's what I am doing. You are new to trading, Dan? Intro course? All right, that's why. You need to stick to learning first of all, and then trading. Participating in the trading room is a great place to see how we are doing it as experienced traders, but I will suggest to concentrate on learning first some terminology and terms, and then upgrade your training program and you will get us, don't worry. What about Gerhard? Exactly. It's a unique learning method, done, because it's another thing to have things written in a book or in a PowerPoint or in a video, and another thing to see how people are actually doing that. It's a completely different experience. You are absolutely right. And I wish 15 years ago, I wish I had this opportunity as well. Unfortunately, I didn't, and I learned all this the hard way. You know what the hard way is, right? Losing money. uh, yes, also we have made some notifications regarding coaching. Exactly. Now we are offering some unique mentorship packages. You can have a look, guys. New programs on our website. You can have a look. One-to-one mentoring services for LTR participants and for non-LTR participants. This will increase the opportunity to a number of you to have one-to-one sessions with us. So have a look. And you are right, Nuno, we have made some nice new packages. The people there at Trademy, they are doing a great job. So what about Gabriel? Okay, we talk with Gabriel. If you have any question, Gabriel, don't hesitate to contact us. What about Gerhard? Gerhard, good afternoon. Are you there? Exactly, no, exactly. Gerhard, can you hear us? No, he is not hearing us. Let's see who is with us. Rachel. Rachel, good afternoon. Can you hear us? Are you with us? What about Nemach? Nemach, good afternoon. How are you today? Hello? Nemach? Nemach is not responsive. All right. So, as we said, today is your day to ask us any questions you might have or want to ask us, guys. So please feel free to type them in the chat room. We had some nice questions from Povilas and from Nuno and from Dan. So Dan says he's confused, but we nevertheless we know that is the confusion is because of lack of education. So don't worry, Dan. In a few weeks you will be at the next level. Just concentrate on Trademy's training programs and you will get there. That's one thing taken for granted. So let's go to Elif now. She has some announcements. No? Okay.
So I just wanted to say something in addition to Dan. Yes, it's very confusing. I can totally understand you. But don't forget, Dan, the positive thing on CFD trading and the unique thing on CFD trading is is the possibility of trading short position and long position. So you can, let's say, if you see now USA 30 dropping, you can short. You know, on when you go and trade on the normal market, it's not possible. And either you go, when you buy, you go always, you hope that the price will go up. While here, it's different. You can get the opportunity anytime, you know, in any direction, even if a share is going up or if a share is going down, you know. And this is really huge possibility and a unique possibility. So I see Rachel is saying too much learning information. Yes, Nuno is. Yes, Nuno, it's totally right what Nuno is saying. There is, be happy that you have this opportunity. Like when I started trading, as Kyriakos said, we had to pay really much and painful. We learned on a painful way. When I started trading, I was a small student, and at some point I really blast out my account. Really blast out my account and made some big losses, and I had to close let me see. I had to sell my car to make some profit, guys. Sell my car, and it was really hard for me back then. But okay, we learned. Now we are here, no? And as I say very often, knowledge is a treasure. It is a treasure to have all this knowledge, but what really makes the treasure to be really worth is the practice. You need to practice, and this is the key to the treasure. And we offer both. You know, we give you this opportunity also of questions and answers, and we are here showing you how to trade and how to make money. And even when you are losing money, which belongs to trading as well. I mean, today, you remember I had today some losses on DAX, which is totally normal. And but we show you also here how to cope with losses, what you have to do to cover your losses. I mean, you are watching Kyriakos, he's using a unique hedging strategy. You see me when I'm increasing my exposure. And these are all ways to see how you can react when a position is not going as well as you are expecting it. And this is something really unique. When I remember when I had my first losing positions, I really didn't know what to do. I was getting panicked. I was seeing a minus number and I was like, close it, close it, close it. I really was like, oh, minus, it's red, close it. Yeah, well done. It depends if you are here, if you are following us, and your account is to video in annichto. Huh? How we can then, yes, if you follow us, how we are trading, for example, on USA 30 or on you don't want to sell your car. Hopefully you don't need to. You will not need to. If it comes to that, look, if I had a mentor at that time, definitely I didn't need to sell a car. Definitely. Back then, as I said, we had a lot of back then we had a lot of unregulated brokers, and they really made us difficult times and cost us a lot of money. I think Kyriakos can confirm, because we started approximately the same time to trade, and it made a really a nice experience, let's say. A nice experience. But then I have to tell you, I sold my car. It was I was a student. I had it's a is it an advertisement if I say the name of the car I had? Is it an advertisement if I say the name of the car? No, it's not. I had a Renault Twingo, a very cute Renault Twingo, and I had to sell that. And I was really bonded to that car. And I sold that car to trade, and I managed to make the money. Yes, it's a French car, Mary. It's a French car. It's a very cute. Yeah, but it was, come on, I was a student. I know the German cars are better. However, I managed to get the car, and I still have the car. It's in Germany, and my nephew is still driving. My nephew just turned 18, and he's driving it. Yes, my old Renault Twingo is still there, and my nephew is driving it. It's in Germany, and I sold it, get the money to trade again, and I made the money to get it back. Yes. And then I made my hobby to a job. And now we are here trading, and hopefully we will make some nice money also for then to get the next possibility for knowledge. So let's see if we have any nice possibilities now. No. Yep, I see. Kyriakos would like to add also something to that. And guys, it's a unique possibility today. Shoot with your questions. Me and Kyriakos, we are here to answer all your questions. You can ask anything you want related to trading, of course. Yeah, well, it depends. And then we are doing it. We are showing it here. You don't need to buy me an American car. You can see that over here. We are doing it. We are trading every day here, twice a day. And you see how we trade. And when you need more detailed information, come to the one-to-one session, and I will explain you all your questions. You have everything you don't understand in detail on the one-to-one session. It's no, I will not say it's very easy, but it's easy to find the path. Well, I'm looking for my next, I'm looking for a horse now. Okay, I want a really nice Arabic horse. So this is the next investment I'm planning. However, now I'm passing to Kyriakos, and then we will be back here, guys.
So guys, I see that you are offering Elif cars, you are offering her Ferraris. What about me, guys? What are you offering to me? So, guys, what about the rest of you? I mean, only 3-4 people are participating. I repeat that today is an open-ended FAQ session, guys. So, do you have any questions? A bicycle. Believe me, I need it. Elif Kyriakos. I have a question from Povilas. Elif Kyriakos is how would you all your strategy you trade discretionary or technical? All right. My strategy, Povilas, is 50-50. 50 mathematics, 50 technical. As simple as that. It's a combination of mathematics, mathematical calculations, and technical analysis. Elif, how would you describe your strategy?
I am based on fundamentals, very strong oriented on fundamentals. And well, for me, for me, you can't go the one without the others. For me, fundamental and technical analysis, they make together, when you use them in the correct way, they make the best combination. It's like pizza with Coke. You know, you can't have pizza without Coke, guys. Right? Or it's like, come on, it's like fries and burger. You can't have burger without fries. And for me, when you are trading, it's technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Well, I'm trading also indices and commodities. There, of course, the effect of fundamentals are much more than on Forex trading. But for me, everything is based on one, like everything is one. The one doesn't go without the other for me. What do you think, Kyriakos?
I think that's one of the reasons why we cannot be a couple, Elif, because we disagree on the approaches, we disagree on anything, on everything. Guys, for me, the basis of everything is mathematics. So If you combine mathematics with technicals, I believe you can get a nice outcome. And that's what exactly I'm doing here. I don't care about what Draghi will say. I don't care what Trump will agree with the Saudis. All I use is mathematics and technical analysis to make money. And that's what I have been doing actually for the past years. So I stick to it. Since it works for me, why should I change the players' team if they win, right? So, guys, thank you for that. And I hope you have enjoyed this free, let's say, session, stress trading free session we had with FAQs. Maybe we do it that more often. It's nice to have participation from you guys and talk about several stuff and what troubles you on trading and what does not. In this, we develop our communication better. A personal thank you from both of us to all of you who participated in today's live trading room. A really interesting session today. We have learned some things more about you guys, and we hope you have a nice day ahead. We will see you again both tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time. Thank you, Nuno. Thank you, Bovilas. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Rachel, for your participation. Thank you, Dans, both of you guys. Thank you to Laura, to Mary, to Megan, to Nemach, to Nuno, to Patrick, to Bovilas, and to Rachel. Have a wonderful day ahead, and we will see you tomorrow again, guys, with more trading action, as we do as well as we do every day at 9 a.m. UTC time. Elif, any updates from you?
Also from me, thanks for participation and thanks for this nice Q&A session. Anytime you like sessions like that, just give us a feedback. And just a short thing to mention, don't forget we have a very nice social media presence. If you give your feedbacks over there, we will adjust everything according to your wishes. So hope to see you tomorrow here at 9 o'clock UTC time, and having a nice afternoon. Looking forward to see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock UTC time here at trademy.com. So
Thank you.
bye bye, guys.
All right, take care.